So hey everyone, this is me Vishal, and in this video we are going to learn about fill array method in JavaScript. So let's start it. So let me first make an array over here, like an array of numbers. So 10, 20, 30, or we can even put some more numbers like 50. So if I just log this array in console, not in console but in console and terminal. So let me just zoom out a little bit. So if I just print this, and you can see the arrays coming. So if I tell you about fill array method in JavaScript, so it's basically if you wanna just fill out all these elements, there's 10, 20, 30 and 50 in each element. But if you wanna fill out all of them with 0, like let me just use here with example, like array.fill and with 0, not string but number. So now you can see the whole array is filled with 0. All elements are replaced with 0. Now you might think that what nonsense is this? Where we will even use this? But everything has its own use case. You may have to use it in production or maybe in a company. So if I tell you a small use case, like there can be like 3 boxes flipped, like some are flipped and we just put them flipped like that. Don't see my spelling. I can just fix this. Double P, it's double P, I know. Like some are flipped and some are not. And user just wanna reset the game. So I will just do array.fill. When user presses the reset button, I will do array.fill with flip. See, you can see all elements are the elements which were even flipped have turned into flip. So it's basically if you wanna just refresh a game, or it may be used in some other works like that. So that was all about fill array method in JavaScript. I know it was kind of easy. And if you got value from this video, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thank you.